So hello guys, welcome to my channel. Subscribe to this channel and smash the bell icon. So in this video I'll be explaining you how to clone data from hard disk drive to solid state drive. So the hardware required for cloning data from hard disk to an SSD is an hard disk docking device and of course an SSD. So now I'll go ahead and place the SSD inside the docking station. After that is done, I'll connect the SSD to the laptop. With the SSD connected, next step we'll go see how to install the software. So now open up your browser and type Macrium Reflect. And after you have done that, click on their website. And after that, scroll down until you get download free trial button. Click on that. Then choose workstation and enter your mail. So after you are done registering, you will get a link to your mail as shown here. So now click on this link to start downloading. After clicking on the download link, it automatically redirects you to a download page which starts downloading the software. After this software has been downloaded, open the file. Then choose workstation from the drop-down list. Then choose the location to install the software. Then click on the download button to start installing. Then click on yes. Then click on next. After that, another app opens, then click on next. Then choose I accept the terms, then click on next. Then choose 30-day trial, then click on next. Then click on next. Then choose the option shown here, then click on next. Then click on install. After this software has been installed, click on finish and the app automatically opens. Now as you can see here, the newly inserted drive is not present here. To make it usable, right click on the start button, click on disk management. Now after that, you can see a drive with the space is unallocated. Right click on that and click on new simple volume. Then click on next. Now in this page, you can allocate the required space for this volume you are going to create. Choose the right amount and click on next. Now here you can assign the letter for the drive. Then click on next. Now here you can choose the name for the drive. Now I'm going to choose here first. Then click on file and folder compression. Then click on next. Then click on finish. Now after this is done, close the application and now open Macrium Reflect. Now here click on clone this disk. After this you'll get a dialog box. Click on select the disk to clone to. Then click on disk 2. Now select all the required partitions and click on copy partitions. After that, click on next. Then click on next. After this, review the changes and click on finish. Then unselect this option as it creates unnecessary files which is not good. Then click on OK. Then here you get another dialog block. Then click this checkbox. Then click on continue. So after finishing the steps included in this video, you are all set to go. Note that this video only shows the software part and not the hardware part. Please check with your laptop model and view tutorials on YouTube for how to disassemble your laptop and place the SSD. So that's all. Subscribe to my channel and smash the bell icon. Until that, I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.